and in today's video I'm going to be showing all of you how I make fluffy slime. Now before we get started with this video, I want to remind everybody to like, comment, websites I should buy squishies from, and subscribe. Yeah. And before we start, another thing is go follow my Instagram. I will probably be putting in a picture here. Go follow that because there will be all my squishy videos on there. I'll put photos, cool videos, everything like that. And here's how I make fluffy slime. Things you need to make this slime are a bowl, one large mixing tool, glue, shaving cream, a cup of water filled up 1/4 of the way, a smaller mixing tool, food coloring, but if you want to make white slime, that's fine, a container, and borax. The first thing you need to do is empty all your glue into your bowl. Next, put in your shaving cream. I like to put a lot, and I think you should too. After putting in your shaving cream, you need to mix it all up until it has a smooth consistency. Next, we have food coloring, but this step is optional. You can have a white slime if you want to. Next, we're going to make our slime. Take a teaspoon of borax and put it in your cup of water and mix it up. Add 1 teaspoon of borax at a time until your slime comes together. Your slime should look like this when it's all done. I hope this video has been useful for you, and I hope you keep watching my videos. See you next time on Squishy Life.